So I got the fan shroud installed. It was a pretty simple install. I didn't record anything because I did a huge timing belt, front main seal, all new hoses. It took literally 22 hours over the weekend, late nights and stuff, but it was worth it. But I installed this in the midst of that, so I didn't get much footage, but I am really liking these. How you install them, it's like the easiest thing in the world. You just have to unplug your AC fan wire, and then this is like my biggest complaint, but I'll talk about it in a little bit. You need to unplug your other side, which the plug would actually just be here, and then you unbolt it all, take the old stuff out, and just put this in. It's like the quickest install in the world. There's some bolts down there as well. These fans flow a lot of air. Honestly, I think it kind of makes my air conditioning a little better. To be fair though, the old fan on this side was broken, so not a lot of airflow while it was idling. The only problem I have with it, I had to wire it directly to the harness itself, because there's a plug on this one, but the other side of that plug was embedded in the fan itself, in my stock fan itself. I tried to take it out of the stock fan motor, but I just ended up destroying it. So this is my temporary solution. If you guys know of any plugs that I could use, that'd be great. But yeah, that's really my only complaint about it. Other than that, I was able to wire it with the AC, and I will show you what that looks like. It is pretty darn loud, but both fans are, moving a lot of air. Brushless fans are pretty cool. No, but I love it. And also, timing belt, water pump, front main seal. It's definitely a worthwhile job. My car is no longer leaking any fluids. I'll put a bunch of pictures right now of what that looked like. But yeah, it was a job, but it's definitely worth it. Yeah, so both of them turn on, full lot of air. I can feel it down here. So yeah, say it's worth your money.